Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home. So if you're new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 28 May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which automobile company has partnered with Cholamandalam Investment and Finance and has launched buy now pay later offer? So it is launched by Maruti Suzuki. So Maruti Suzuki headquarter present in New Delhi and R.C. Bhargava is its chairman. Question number 2. Which insurance company has launched an app-based motor insurance own damage floater policy named Switch? So it is launched by Cholamandalam MS. Sorry. It is option number D. Edelweiss. So its headquarter present in Mumbai and its chairman and CEO is Rashesh Shah. So what is this insurance Switch? So multiple vehicles can be covered under this single policy. Question number 3. How many weather services of IMD, that is India Meteorological Department, has been included via Umang mobile app, that is Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance? So it is 7 weather services. So what are the 7 weather services? First is current weather, second is nowcast, third is city forecast, fourth is rainfall information, fifth is tourism forecast, sixth is warnings, and seventh is cyclone. So India Meteorological Department, that is IMD, its headquarters present in New Delhi and Dr. Mrityunjay Mahapatra is its Director General. Question number 4. The University Grant Commission, that is UGC, has directed universities and colleges to use online course of which portal for credit transfer? So it is Swayam portal. So University Grant Commission, its headquarters present in New Delhi and DP Singh is its chairman. Question number 5. Hockey legend Balbir Singh Senior, who passed away recently, has won how many Olympic gold medals? So he have won 3 Olympic gold medals. First in 1948, second in 52 and third in 56. Question 6. HIL India will supply 25 tons of pesticide to which country to control locust invasion? So it is to Iran. Iran capital is Tehran and its currency is Riyal. Question number 7. Rayalaseema Lift Scheme is a project of which state? So it is a project of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh capital is Amravati. Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy is its Chief Minister and Biswabhushan Harichandan is its Governor. Question number 7. Mohit Gupta, who is in news recently, is the co-founder of which company? So he is the co-founder of Zomato. So Zomato headquarters present in Gurgaon and Deepinder Goyal is its founder and CEO. Question number 9. The Indian Air Force, that is IAF, will operationalize its number 18 squadron equipped with LSA Tejas aircraft in which city? So it is in Coimbatore. So Indian Air Force, its headquarters present in New Delhi and 8th October is celebrated as Air Force Day. And who is the chief? His name is Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bahaduria. Question number 10. Which state will form a migration commission to identify the skill of returning migrants worker and provide employment to them? So it is launched by Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Its CM is Yogi Adityanath and governor is Anandiben Patel. Question 11. Shahi Lychee and Zardalo mango, which have received the GI tags in the past, belongs to which state? So it belongs to Bihar. Bihar capital is Patna. Nitish Kumar is its CM and Fagu Chauhan is its governor. Question number 12. Which state has promulgated an ordinance allowing the investor and farmers to enter into an agreement for contract farming? So it is launched by Odisha. And recently Odisha have implemented 50% extra COVID-19 fee on the liquor which is going to deliver in at home. So Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar, its CM is Naveen Patnaik and governor is Ganesh Lal. Question number 13. Which state has accorded industry status to sport? So industry status to sport is given by Mizoram. Mizoram capital is Aizawl, Zoramthanga is its CM and PS Sridharan Pillai is its governor. Question number 14. Indian Dispute Resolution Center, that is IDRC, which provides a paperless dispute resolution environment, was inaugurated in which city? So it is inaugurated in New Delhi. And who inaugurated this? It is inaugurated by former Supreme Court Judge A.K. Sikri. Question 15. Which education board has launched a cyber security handbook for student class 9 to 12? So it is launched by CBSE. So CBSE headquarters present in New Delhi and Manoj Ahuja is its chairman. Question number 16. International Missing Children's Day 2020 was observed on which date? So it is observed on 25 May. Question number 17. On other state who will now have to take the permission from which state before engaging workers of the state? So it is by Uttar Pradesh. So these are the current affairs of today, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time, and I wish you like the video. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel for daily current affairs and job alert. Thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy.